Another year already. Since I did the first the other day and plant it back. So like I said, you reap what you sow. Therefore I sow yam, and that's exactly what I'm here to reap. Right? I don't even know how big this thing is yet. I hope it's big. I hope I'm not videoing something and then it comes out very small. Then that won't be too pleasing to me. So, feel like I stick it just now, did I? Okay. That seems like it. Can't go too close, you know, because you don't know how big it is and how wide it's gone, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, and wait. Almighty, don't tell me it come this way. What if it come this way? Jesus Christ Almighty. Me cut a piece of the yam to Jesus. How about you say the yam come? I am me cut off it. So where there? No God. God of Daniel. Come on. So see? It comes this way. I didn't realize that, you know. See? Oh Jesus. Why do you see one's like this, man? I'm here, mosquito. Where the mosquito come from? Good Lord. Be very careful now, because this yam seems to be coming into the wrong direction. That's not it. I'm hearing mosquito at my ears. Come on. I don't have any time for you know to kill no. Have to. Yeah, man, I taste it already. But
What the other one be?
rum and raisin. I soon deal with that too. I soon deal with that after I deal with the yam. Ah, you see that? Sister come and interrupt me about bun and cheese ice. Where the mosquito you come from? Good God. You see it? Yeah. What you see? Huh? Yeah, look like it can carry go to market. So the yam. A bruise, you know. You see it? You can never know say it comes this direction. It does look like I don't wanna. Check what look like. See, like I could get me a nice night dinner. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Mosquito, come on, man. Leave me alone, oh. Jesus. Right. This one of the small one I dig, alright? One of the small one. Yeah. One take out all of me. All of my energy. Ooh. See, pretty nice piece of moonshine. Yeah. Yes.